Hi everyone, this is Alyssa from the Kent ISD PowerSchool team, and in this tutorial I am going to cover emailing from PowerTeacher Pro. So once you get logged into PowerTeacher Pro, you want to click on the plus sign in the upper right hand corner. That's where you would normally go to create an assignment. And you'll see a new option here, email. Go ahead and click on that. And it can sometimes take a little bit of time to come up. Okay, first thing, let's look at the top of the screen here. Notice that the class that I'm currently in is the one that's selected, but if you want to, you can select multiple classes to send an email to at one time. So to do that, you click the Select Classes dropdown, and you can select the checkbox for any additional classes you wanted to include in your email. Okay, notice that I have checkboxes down both the left and right side here. So down the left is where I select the student emails that I want to send to. So you can click the box at the top to select all, or if you just wanted to pick and choose and send to a certain group of students, you can do that as well. Okay, and then down the right side is your contacts. So if I click the box at the top, it's going to select all the contacts. Um, One thing to keep in mind is the contacts listed on the screen for each student are only the ones that have email addresses in the system for them. So you might see some students with no contacts listed, or if you know that they have more contacts than that, but you don't see them there, it's because it's only the ones that have email addresses. And notice there is a relationship under each one. So as an example, let's look at Lacey Farley here. She has a mother, father, guardian, and emergency listed. Um, so you can either go through and select the contacts that you want to send to, or there's also a way to filter, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we want to filter by relationship, we have to turn on filtering. So we have to get out of this window, and you just need to do this one time and then it should stick. So either on the score sheet or the assignment list, so either of these windows here, you want to click on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner and click on show filter. So on this screen, you'll see that the filter showed up. But now when we go to the email screen, we should see a filter there as well. Okay, so notice this filter here was not there before and it's appearing now. So if I click on the plus icon, I can create a new filter. And in the dropdown, I'm going to choose contact type. And then I can select, say for example, I just want mother or father. I can click apply, and then only those relationship types are shown in my list. And then I can just select all. Now, in your PowerSchool, you might have some different relationships listed there. It's just whatever you want to send to. This is a test server with fake data, and so I have a lot of no-name um, contacts under the guardians, and that's just because there was a guardian email entered on the admin side without a name associated with it. So you may or may not see that on yours as well. But the filter just allows you to only show the contact types that you want, and then it allows you to select them a little bit quicker that way. Okay, so I'm going to select my students and my contacts. And then before we go to the next screen, I just want to point out this option down here at the bottom, copy emails. So the email feature I'm going to show you on the message tab next is just a plain, simple text message you can send. You are not able from within PowerSchool to attach files to your email. You're not able to insert pictures or have any special formatting. So if you want to use another email program to do any of those things, what you can do is just hit the copy emails button, and that copies all of the email addresses you have selected here to the clipboard. And then you can go into your email program, either it may be Outlook or Gmail, whatever you use, and then you can paste that into a new message, and that would allow you to, do more of the attaching files and inserting pictures and things like that if you want to do that. But if you just need to send a simple message saying, hey, there's a test on Friday, something real simple, you can do that right from PowerSchool. So I just clicked on the message tab on the right side to get to that area. And I'll just type in a simple email here. So I you'll notice there aren't really any other options for formatting or anything. You're just going to type the text that you want to put in there. You could paste a link if you wanted to, um, but there's no HTML or anything like that available in this editor. Okay, and notice there's an option down here to CC me, and I would highly recommend checking that box. And the reason for that is so PowerSchool, even though they are giving you the ability to send a message, it's not an email program, so you won't be able to go back and look in PowerSchool to see the messages you sent. And so if you check that box, then it'll send you the email as well that you can have a copy of in your email to kind of keep a record of what you sent out. Okay, so that when you're ready to send, um, notice it's telling you how many. We have 27 students we're sending to, and 8 contacts. That's what we selected on the recipients tab. And when you're ready to send, just go ahead and click send. And that's it. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you are a Kent ISD hosted district or Kent ISD staff person and you have questions or need assistance with this, please go ahead and put in a help desk ticket and we'd be happy to help you out. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.